Driving in Jersey is like fuck. Don't tighten it too much because you possibly can crack the screen. What's going on, guys? Psycho Mav here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do another install video. I am going to be removing the stock windshield and replacing it with the Klock Werks 9-inch sports flare. I decided to go with a blue tint due to the fact that I'm working on something with my bike with blue and the silver. It's going to look nice once it's completely done, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at PsychoMavHD. Also like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. So let's get started with the install. So before we get started, there is 4 screws. One's here, 2, 3, and 4. I unloosen them right now just to make the install a lot easier. You're going to either use a screwdriver, a drill, or an electric screwdriver. I personally prefer a manual screwdriver just to make sure you don't crack the windshield, but it's your personal preference. So when you're installing the windshield, there is a screw and a washer. Make sure the screw and washer is on the outside of the screen. So being that it's I already untightened everything, all I'm gonna do is just slide this windshield off and place it to the side. So here is the windshield, the Klock Werks 9-inch sports flare. Now we're gonna do the install. All I'm going to do is just make sure the washers are on the outside of the windshield. Slide it right in, as you can see. You want to just make sure everything is aligned as you're putting the windshield on. Washers on the outside. And the windshield's installed, so now I'm just gonna take my screwdriver, hand tighten it. I'm not going to tighten all the screws right away, just so the windshield can set. Just do about a screw it in. Once you get to the last screw, then you can tighten everything down. Don't tighten it too much because you possibly can crack the screen. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The 9-inch Klock Werks Sport Flare windshield is installed. This is a very simple install. Should take you no more than 5 minutes tops. You have your basic screwdriver and the 4 screws, and that's about it. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I am doing a review on my brand new windshield, as you can see here. Shout out to Klock Werks for sending me this 9-inch sports flare. I went with blue because I have a specific look that I want to go for, so I went with the blue windshield. I think it looks perfect on the silver of my bike. So the difference is here is that the stock windshield is straight up, where this has a sports flare which has a little lip that goes up an extra 3 inches. Also, the stock windshield's only 6 inches, where I went with the 9-inch. Now the only difference really is it deflects the wind a little bit better in the position that it's in, which makes it more of an enjoyable ride. I would have went with a typical touring 11-inch or 12-inch windshield, but I personally like the way this looks on my bike, and it adds a little pop and it makes it stand out a bit. So far I enjoyed. I don't feel as much wind as how the stock windshield was, but you still have that wind to give you, you know, that air that you need while riding. Also, there's times that I ride with a full face or a half shell, so that all plays into part and plays a factor as well. So if you like what you've seen on this install video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more videos.